Welcome to another FARMserver training video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit management zones that you've created in FARMserver. From the main dashboard, click on the Zones and RX tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This shows you a list of all the management zones that you've created in FARMserver so far.
If you're unhappy with some of those zones that FARMserver created for this field, you click on the three vertical dots on the right-hand side of the screen, and you can click Edit Zones. This takes you to the zone editing portion of FARMserver. You can edit labels. So if you're unhappy with this being a medium zone, you can select it, and then you can change it to whatever classification you'd like to have. You can also add pivots. Find the center point of the pivot, or you can enter the lat and longe of the pivots if you know where they're at. Select a pivot, and you can draw it in manually and double click to close it, or you can adjust the radius if you know the radius of your pivot. Click Done, and FARMserver will split those zones to create new zones for an under the pivot rate and an out of the pivot rate. Then you can come through here and you can edit those zone labels underneath the pivot individually. You can also split zones. So if you see that this zone here, you would like to split it and have two separate zones in this area of the field. Draw a line through the area that you'd like to split and double click. Now you can edit just that specific portion of that zone that you edited. You also have the ability to merge zones. So select Merge Zone, and if you'd like this low zone to be the same as this medium, select the low zone and hit medium, and it's going to merge those two zones into one medium zone. Once you're happy with the edits that you've made, you can hit Save, and it'll take you back to the main screen.